So this question is going to read, Clint earned $1,155 in interest from his simple interest account over the last 5 years. The account pays 1.25% interest annually. How much did Clint originally deposit in his account? Now we have to read this one very careful. Notice it actually gives us the interest he earned in his account. It's going to tell us the interest he earned from this account was $1,155. It's then going to tell us that this money was in the account for 5 years. So that's going to give us our time, 5 years. It's going to give us the rate, and it's going to tell us the 1.25%. Remember, we know it's a rate because of that percent interest annually. And it's going to ask us, how much did Clint originally deposit in his account? Now that's really going to represent, in this case, P, the principal amount, the initial amount he put into his account. So we're trying to solve for P. So we'll use our simple interest formula, I equals PRT. So we know, once again, the interest he earned was $1,155 equals, we're trying to solve for P, so we're trying to find out what was the principal amount. We know the rate, and we have to be careful when we're plugging in the rate. Remember, we have to express that as a decimal. So as a decimal, that would be 0.0125. Last but not least, we know that this money was in the account for 5 years. That's our time. So now we're going to solve for P. In order to solve for P, we're first going to multiply 0.0125 times 5. When we do that, we're going to end up with 0.0625. So we end up with 0.0625. P, and then once again equals the interest 1,155. Last but not least, we're going to divide each side by 0.0625. So we want to solve for P. Notice they're being multiplied, so we have to do the inverse and divide by 0.0625. When we divide each side by 0.0625, we're going to be left with P on the right side. So we've isolated P. And we're going to be left with 18,480 on the left side. That tells us the initial amount he deposited in his account was $18,480.